Pendulum exercises are the way to gently increase shoulder mobility and decrease pain after an injury or surgery. Here's how to perform the pendulum exercise for the shoulder. 1. Stand next to a table or chair for support if needed. 2. Slightly bend the knee on the same side as the affected shoulder and lean forward slightly at the waist. Keep your back straight. 3. Let your affected arm hang down towards the ground, relaxed and loose. 4. Begin to gently swing your arm in small circles, using the momentum of your body to move the arm. Keep the movement slow and controlled. 5. Gradually increase the size of the circles as your range of motion and comfort level improve. 6. Perform the exercise for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then, change the direction of the circles and repeat for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. 7. Aim to complete this exercise 2 to 3 times per day, or as recommended by your doctor.